What's up guys, this is Kyle with Krietz Customs and I'm going to break down our 2021 Ford F-150 for you. As you can see here, we have done a full chrome delete on this truck, lift kit, wheels and tires. To start you off here, as you can see on the grille, we've separated that, got it all painted up and completely blacked out, as well as the Ford emblems on the front and the rear. Got the bug deflector on here as well. I'll swing you over here on the side. We have blacked out the Ford F-150 XLT emblem on the side, as well put our own KC blacked out badge on there, and the Power Boost emblem as well. To transition over into the lift kit on this truck, we have installed a 6-inch rough country lifted strut kit. We have put Fury Country Hunter RT tires on there. This is a very comparable tire to a Nitto Ridge Grappler. Great tire, super quiet, wears nice. To show you the wheels here for you, we have the 22x12 Fuel Typhoons. Now these come on other finish options as well, but this just happens to be the matte black to go with the theme of the rest of the truck. I'll swing you back here. We have the window deflectors on there as well. And we've also done our own blacked out KC, blacked out Ford. Like I said, no chrome. Swing you over here and kind of break down the truck a little bit for you as well. So this truck does have the 3.5 Power Boost in it. So great fuel economy option, especially for a lifted truck, higher than your EcoBoost or your 5.0. Also, this truck is 0 to 60 in 5.3 seconds. So you're not losing any power or anything with this truck at all. Kind of to break down the inside here for you. All right guys, as you see, this truck has the large infotainment screen on there. Tons of feature options in there, which is huge. I wish I had that in my truck. Also, you can see all digital instrument cluster here as well with a ton of different options and settings you can go through. Another thing with these new models that's great, you can fold the shifter down right out of your way. Tons of space in this truck to store anything you want, any pets, kids, anything you want storage. Seats fold up and everything. Also has the rear AC and everything as well for you. So, all right guys, that is a wrap. That is our 2021 Ford F-150. Go subscribe and like on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and hit us up on KreitzAuto.com or call us at 301-694-4642.